10 intriguing facts about koalas. 1. Koalas are marsupials, not bears. As marsupials, they share a closer genetic relationship with wombats and kangaroos than with bears. 2. Selective diet. Koalas exhibit a strong preference for eucalyptus leaves as their primary food source and can consume more than 1 kilogram over 2 pounds of leaves daily. However, they are quite discerning eaters, choosing from around 50 out of approximately 700 eucalyptus species. They typically select leaves from the uppermost branches of the tallest trees, as these tend to be richer in moisture and nutrients. 3. Extensive sleep patterns. Koalas are known to sleep for 18 to 22 hours each day, primarily due to the low nutrient content of eucalyptus leaves, which necessitates significant energy, conservation for proper digestion and restoration. 4. Distinctive eucalyptus scent. Young and female koalas typically emit a subtle eucalyptus aroma, which can serve as an insect deterrent. In contrast, adult males possess a much more pronounced and potent scent. 5. Koalas produce odd noises. Male koalas have an additional set of vocal cords that allow them to emit grunting and groaning sounds, which can carry for miles during dawn and dusk. 6. Koalas prefer solitude. These marsupials are largely solitary, occupying overlapping territories, known as home ranges. The size of each koala's range varies, based on factors such as sex, age, social hierarchy, and the quality of their habitat. Typically, more dominant males claim larger areas. Koalas are born hairless, blind, and deaf. The young koalas, known as joeys, similar to baby kangaroos, are incredibly small at birth, roughly the size of a peanut. They are unable to see or hear, but their instincts lead them to their mother's pouch. Inside the pouch, the joey will stay for around 6 months, during which it will grow and develop. 8. The name koala comes from the Aboriginal language. The koala is one of the Australian animals whose name comes from the Aboriginal language. The word koala comes from the Darug tribe and means without water. This is an accurate description. Koalas rarely drink water from springs. Koalas get their water intake by consuming eucalyptus leaves and rainwater that flows through the smooth bark of trees. 9. Koalas can have a lifespan of over a decade. In the wild, koalas typically live for about 10 to 12 years. Around 12 months of age, they begin to venture away from their mother's protection, and they are capable of breeding by the time they reach 2 or 3 years old. Interestingly, female koalas generally have a longer lifespan than their male counterparts, with some living up to 18 years in the wild. 10. Koalas possess unique fingerprints similar to humans. Each koala has its own distinct fingerprints, which are remarkably similar to those of humans. In fact, the resemblance is so close that it can be challenging to differentiate between them, even when viewed under a microscope.